Yeah, that idea might actually work. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Hope you haven't been waiting long. Welcome to my channel. Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. Oh wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. It's February. Oh, don't you love February? The love, the romance. It's so wonderful and so short. February is the shortest month of the year. And it's even shorter because we don't have a leap year. Although technically the leap year would be the anomaly, so actually it's regular short and you don't care. Sorry. For those of you who have a birthday on February 29th, I'm so sorry. But we still celebrate you. Happy birthday. So this month is all about love, romance, or just a wonderful kinship. Maybe you have a galentine instead of a valentine, or you are part of that Singles Awareness Day club. Don't worry, I used to be you. Oh, I'm still single. I just used to be part of that club because I was like, I want nothing to do with Valentine's Day. And then, well, I got into rom-coms. I get it now. Anyway, there we are. What? Film to fiber. Oh, you don't know what film to fiber is. Silly me. Film to Fiber is a collaboration that I started with my friend Teresa at Critters Crochet. And what it is a collaboration we do 4 times a year. Welcome to number 1 of 2025. Our collaboration this year is seasonal. So what it is Film to Fiber is very simple. We watch something, and then we make something based off of what we watched, or inspired by what we watched. It can be a specific movie. It can be an actor or actress that made several movies. It can be a specific genre. We can really pick anything we want as long as it has to do with film. Not television, film. The only exception is miniseries, because it's basically like watching a movie. So what happens is the first Monday of the month, that's today, if you're watching when I actually posted this, the first Monday is when we tell you what theme we picked. And the last Friday of the month will be the live reveal. The live reveal is we reveal what we made live on my channel. It's really fun because this entire month, Teresa and I have no idea what the other one made, which is unusual for us because we tell each other everything we design and make. A lot of you have referred to Teresa as my crochet bestie. Well, you're wrong. Sorry, you're wrong. Nope, she is my cozy crochet cohort. My triple C, as it were. Because she's like my partner in crime without the crime. But we do scheme. So yes, Teresa and I decided to do this because we both love film and we both love crochet. Perfect. So that's what Film to Fiber is. Now you're wondering, what is the theme? And if you said love, you're close, but not quite. But as you can see in the background, we do have lots of fun couples here. We have Charlotte, Chuck Charles, and Ned. Do you know what they're from? I have Seymour and Audrey. And over there we have Cookies and Cream. They're corgis. And, oh yes, we have Peaches. She is a single girl. but she owns it. Very proud of being single, aren't you? Yes. So if you said love, you're close, but not quite. There's something that Teresa and I have in common that we discovered last year that we didn't know we had in common. We both love something very specific that fits perfectly for February. No, it's not tea. Good guess. Very good guess. You in the back? Good job. No, it's not tea, although we do have that in common too. But tea is a very good indicator of what I'm talking about. In fact, there's a very famous quote by somebody very important that talks about tea. Jane Austen. Jane Austen in film. Now, this can be so many different things. We can take this any place we want to, as long as it has to do with Jane Austen in a film. For instance, it could be a film about Jane Austen, like Becoming Jane. Fun fact, there's actually a brand new series coming out about Jane Austen. So how perfect was that? We picked this theme months ago, so that was cool. Fun coincidence. It can also be a film about maybe one of her books, like Emma from 2020. That's about her book, Emma. It can be a miniseries, like the BBC production in the 90s about Pride and Prejudice. I know, a lot of you really, really love that series. I know. Calm down in the comments, okay? We all know Colin Firth was very good looking. Calm down. It can also be a loose adaptation, like Clueless. Clueless is basically Emma. So as you can see, there's a lot of places to play with this here. It's a fun theme. Film adaptations of Jane Austen, or Jane Austen in film, or films that are loosely based off of Jane Austen novels, or miniseries that are based off of Jane Austen books, or her life. On February the 28th, I believe, almost positive, that is the last day of the month, but it is also the last Friday of the month, there will be a live project reveal on my channel where we get to see what we made and you get to see what we made for the first time ever. We have no idea what the other one is working on. None at all. And she really has no idea what I'm working on because I've changed my mind a few times. It's not my fault they didn't work out. At the time I'm filming this, I still don't have a project. I'll be fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. It'll all work out. Anyway, I'll have something to show you, obviously. I always seem to pull it out at the last minute. I don't recommend procrastination, kids. Procrastination is not the best way to go about life, but it happens. Oh, it happens more than I'd like to admit. Anyway, that is what we're doing for the month of February. Oh, that's not the only thing I'm doing on this channel for the month of February. No. For me, February also has something very important to talk about that has nothing to do with crochet. One moment, please. Next slide! It's so hard to find good help! February is Mal's Awareness Month. Mal's is median arcuate ligament syndrome. I have it. This is very, very important to me to talk about because not a lot of people do. Oh, I know, there was a Grey's Anatomy episode and now lots of people talk about it. However, well, we won't talk about all the things they got wrong in that episode. A lot. So I am going to talk about some Spoonie related stuff, especially median arcuate ligament syndrome related, on the channel during February because it's important to me. And the first part of the title of my channel is the Spoonie Stitcher. It's my life. I'm a Spoonie, and I'm someone who creates stuff. Pretty self-explanatory. That's me. There's not much more to me than that. Okay, obviously there's a little more to me than that, but you get the point. Anyway, so we are going to talk about that kind of stuff on here because I do feel it is important, and if you want to skip those videos, I completely understand. However, they might be interesting, and some of them might be just entertaining. That's all I'll say about that. We interrupt this program to remind you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you feel like it, and join our wonderful creative community over here. And don't forget to ring the bell down below so you never miss a video. It helps the channel. Thank you so much. We now return to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, you can come back now. Pushing me out of the way, will you? How rude. Anyway, so sorry about that. I hope you will join us for Film to Fiber because I think you'll like it. I think it'll be a lot of fun. What do you think I picked? And what do you think Teresa picked? Oh, by the way, Teresa has a video out today. Make sure you watch it. Yes, I know you watched this one, which is an announcement video, and hers is an announcement video, but hers will be a different video than mine because we're different people. I know, shocker. We're different people. We say different things. We have different things on our channel. We are not the same. So make sure you go watch her video after you watch this one. So, what do you think I picked? Do you think I picked something about Jane Austen herself? Something based off one of her books? Miniseries? Or loose adaptation? Let me know in the comments. What do you think I picked? Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy February, and happy birthday to all the February babies out there. What a fun month for you to be born. You're born in the month of love. Ah, how romantic. I hope you had a lovely time today, and I hope you come back. This channel is just about to get a little chaotic. But hey, that's part of the fun. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Goodbye.